Students, in this video we will discuss about the question and answers of chapter 2, that is microorganisms friend and foe. In last few videos you already study about that means various types of the microorganisms, all the groups of the microorganisms and everything about them, what are their useful and harmful effects, what is their habitat, mode of nutrition, how they reproduce. So that means in this video we will discuss about the question answer. So one by one we will discuss all the question answers. So first is objective type question. So that is take the correct option. So first is which of the following is not a protozoa? Amoeba, Giardia, Trypanosoma and Volvox. The answer will be Volvox. Why? Because Volvox belongs to group algae. Which of the following can only be seen through an electron microscope? Bacteria, virus, protozoa and algae. The answer will be virus, because viruses are the smallest microorganisms which can be observed only under electron microscope. Which of the following is a virus? Bacteriophage, rabies, amoeba and yeast. The answer will be bacteriophage, the virus that infect bacteria. Which of the following causes diseases? Praise, antigen, pathogens and antibodies. Pathogens. Next, which of the following is used to make an idli dough? That batter, flour, cheese and juice. The answer will be batter. Which of the following can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis? Virus, algae, protozoa and fungi. The answer will be algae. Which of the following is a vector of malaria? Anopheles mosquito, flies, Aedes mosquito and bees. The answer will be Anopheles mosquito. And in Anopheles mosquito, mainly which mosquito? Female Anopheles mosquito. Which of the following is used in the production of wine? Giardia, Paramecium, yeast and agaricus. The answer will be yeast. Now the next, that is choose the odd one out. So first is algae, fungus, virus and bacteriophage. So the answer will be algae. Why? Because they are photosynthetic in nature, but rest are not. Next is canning, sodium benzoate, heating and freezing. The answer will be sodium benzoate, because all are the process and this is the chemicals. Next is typhoid, tuberculosis, common cold and cholera. The answer will be common cold. Rest are the bacterial diseases and common cold is viral diseases. Anthrax, fin rot, foot and mouth, citrus canker. The answer will be foot and mouth, because rest other are caused by the bacteria and this is caused by the virus. Next is amoeba, coccus, bacillus and vibrio. The answer will be amoeba. Why? Because the rest are the different shapes of bacteria. Next is true and false. Microorganisms can be seen through naked eyes. That is false. Microorganisms are always harmful to us. That is also false. Diseases that can be transmitted from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Yes, true. Vibrio is a rod-shaped bacteria. False. That is a comma-shaped bacteria. Viruses are considered to be both living and non-living. Yes, true. Antigens are produced by our body when microbes enter in our body. False. Mainly antibody are produced. And last one is microbes are used to produce antibiotics and vaccine. Yes, this is true. Next, this is the complete the concept maps. Here it is given microorganisms. Okay, and all of you know that there are 5 groups of microorganisms, so you have to write the name of all the groups of microorganisms for F for fungi. This is the bacteria, virus. Okay, so this is fungi. This will be bacteria. This is virus. This is algae. And this is protozoa. Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to just write 2 examples. Already we have discussed in the last few videos, so you have to give 2 examples, and after that you will give the harmful examples. That means how microorganisms are harmful for us. So like it may spoil the food items, it may cause the various diseases. So just you have to write 2 points. In useful examples, you have to write the useful effects of the microorganisms, like it helps in the preparation of curd, it helps in the process of fermentation, some microbes are helpful in nitrogen fixation. So in this way, that means 2 points you have to write. After that, see the short answer type questions. So first is, what do you understand by microorganisms? Name the different kind of microorganisms. The organisms, micro means very small or tiny. The organisms which are very small or tiny and can't be observed by our naked eye are called microorganisms. They can be observed only under microscope. The different kind of microorganisms are virus, bacteria, algae, fungi, and protozoa. Next is, what are vaccine? How do they help in the prevention of diseases? A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganisms and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbes. Its toxins or one of its surface proteins. Vaccines reduce the risk of infection by working with the body's natural defenses to help it safely develop immunity to diseases. So that means vaccine mainly develops the immunity against the disease causing germs. Next, what is the difference between antigens and antibodies? Antigen, the disease causing microbes such as bacteria, virus, fungi, that are called antigens, and antibodies, the disease fighting substances produced by our body, mainly from which cells? That is the WBC, white blood cells, are called antibodies. How are viruses different from other microorganisms? Viruses are different from other microorganisms in following ways. Viruses are the connecting link between living and non-living, whereas other microbes are living. Viruses don't have any cellular structure like other microorganisms. Next, question number 5. What are communicable diseases? Give examples. The disease which can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person, that is called communicable diseases. Examples: cold and cough, malaria, smallpox, cholera, etc. In how many shapes do bacteria exist? Name them. Earlier we have discussed in the video of the bacteria that they can exist in mainly 4 shapes. So first is rod shape, that is called bacillus. Next is a spherical shape, that is called coccus. A spiral or curve shape, that is called spirilla, and the comma shape, that is called vibrio. So these are the different shapes of bacteria. Next is, list any 5 uses of microorganisms. 5 uses of microorganisms are as follows. Bacteria such as lactobacillus helps in the preparation of curd. Fungi such as yeast helps in fermentation. Some bacteria and fungi are decomposers, helps in recycling the nutrients by decomposition of dead and decay matter. Microorganisms are helpful in the preparation of antibiotics and vaccine. Bacteria and some algae helps in nitrogen fixation. Next is define pasteurization. Where is it used? Pasteurization, as you know, that discovered by the French chemist, that is called Louis Pasteur, and that's why, that means on the honor of their name, the process is called pasteurization. In this process, milk is first heated to a very high temperature and then sudden cooled rapidly to very low temperature. This heating and rapid cooling kills the microorganism, and it is used to preserve milk and sometimes maybe other liquid also. Next is viruses are considered to be on the borderline of the living and non-living justified. Actually, viruses are considered as the borderline of living and non-living because outside the living cell it behaves as non-living things. Inside the living host, they use the machinery of the living host and multiply and increase their number. In living cell, they behave as living thing. Next is name any two diseases caused by microbes in plants, animals and human beings each. So the two diseases caused by microbes in plants, animals and human beings in each are as follows. In plants, citrus canker, tobacco mosaic, and there are so many others, but we have to write only two examples. In animals, foot and mouth disease and anthrax. Sorry, this is anthrax. ANTHRAX. In humans, polio, smallpox, common cold, etc. So that means the short answer type question that is completed. In the next video, we will discuss about the long answer type questions. So I think all the question answer that is discussed, that should be clear to all of you. So please go through the video and write all the question answer in your notebook. Okay, thank you, students.